Workouts are fundamental in reducing weight due to their multifaceted impact on the body. Firstly, exercise helps create a calorie deficit, which is essential for weight loss. Engaging in physical activities such as cardio, strength training, or high intensity interval training increases your energy expenditure. When combined with a controlled diet, this deficit leads to the body utilizing stored fat for energy, thus promoting weight loss. Cardiovascular exercise like running, swimming, and cycling are particularly effective at burning calories and improving heart health. They increase your heart rate and breathing, leading to a significant energy expenditure. On the other hand, strength training exercise such as weightlifting help build muscle mass. Muscle tissue burns more calories than fat tissue, even at rest, which means that increasing your muscle mass through regular strength training can boost your resting metabolic rate, leading to more calories burned throughout the day. In addition to burning calories, regular exercise also influences hormone levels that regulate hunger and appetite. Physical activity can increase the levels of satiety hormones and decrease hunger hormones, helping to control cravings and reduce overall calorie intake. Improved insulin sensitivity, a benefit of regular workouts, also plays a crucial role in weight management by ensuring that the body efficiently uses glucose for energy and stores less fat. Moreover, exercise has a positive impact on mental health by reducing stress, anxiety, and depression. It triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural mood elevators, which can improve overall well-being and motivation to adhere to a healthy lifestyle. Improved mental health often leads to better sleep patterns, and adequate sleep is linked to more effective weight management. Consistency in exercise is key to achieving and maintaining weight loss. By incorporating a variety of activities you enjoy, such as sports, dancing, or hiking, you can keep workouts enjoyable and sustainable. This long-term commitment to regular physical activity combined with a balanced diet ensures effective weight management and contributes to overall health and wellness.